Hello guys, welcome to the first tutorial. In this tutorial we will talk how do we download and install Python on the Windows machine. So let's get started. In browser, start download Python. You are seeing the first link, that is python.org. Click on this link. It's taking me to the home page for the downloads. Python latest version is 3.7.4, as you can see it here. If you want to download the latest version, then click on it, and if you want to download the previous version, then scroll down the page and find the one you want to download. I'll go with the 3.6.4 release. Where is it? Let me find. Here is it. Click on download button and download it on your system. As I have already downloaded it on my system, so I'll go to the download. Yeah, it's here. I'm just gonna install it. Click run. You can see add Python 3.6 to paths option here at the bottom. We need to configure the Python on system, so for this one we need to set the environment variables. Environment variables are important because without setting paths you can't access Python in your system other than Python console. So if you don't select this option, then you need to set the path manually, and if you select this option while installing, then you don't need to set the path or environment variables manually. So I'll skip the option for now. We'll show this to you guys later in this video. Here I am shown two options, install now and customize installation. Let's click on customize installation. Keep all options are selected here, so keep all selected options as they are. Click next. Yeah. I will install for all the users, so select the option install for all users, and now browse the location, computer, C drive, and I'm gonna create new folder named as Python 3.6.4. Select it. Okay, and click install. Yes, it's installing. Setup is successful. Click close. Let's see Python is installed or not. For this, go to start and see Python 3.6 listed here. Click on it. Terminal is open, and let's try to print something. Hello world. See, it's working. I have another terminal here. Let's try it out. I have another terminal here that is CodeScramble, or you can say CodeScramble, and it's a different third-party software. So let's check Python is installed or not. Type Python -b, and it's giving me an error like Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. It means Python is installed. We can access it through Python terminal, but not the other terminal. So for this we need to set the environment variables. As we remember, uh, I skipped the add Python 3.6 to path option while installing the Python setup. This is why it's not working right now, because environment variables are not set, and this is why I'm seeing this error. Let's see how to set up environment variables in case if you forget to select this option while installation or installing the Python on your system. So let's open where we have our Python installed, and computer seat 5, yeah, this one, Python 3.6.4. To configure the Python, we have to add these locations to the environment variables. We have to set the Python, we have to let the system know that we have Python installed on this location. Whenever you run the Python, just use this location. So for this, right click on computer, properties, click advanced system settings, then go to environment variables and find path here, that is, add it. Yeah. After everything, don't touch anything before, like you need to add semicolon here. Don't touch anything before the semicolon because path variable is really very sensitive, so don't change anything. Just after the semicolon, add percentage and then Python path. These should be in caps. Then Python, then percentage again. Now I need to add the Python path that I added to the path variable. So click OK and click New. Write Python paths. All should be in caps. And now we have to provide the variable value. So what's the value? Value is open folder, and value is this, where we have Python installed. Copy it and paste it here. Put semicolon at the end. I'm gonna add a few more things. DLLS. Copy it and paste it. Put semicolon again. I'm gonna add a couple of more. Let's add live. Copy it again and put it here. Put semicolon again, and lastly scripts. Copy this path and paste it here. So just click OK, again OK. We are all set. This is what we need to do in order to configure our Python path. Let's verify it. Open the same terminal which was showing error before. Type Python here and see, it's working now. It's showing Python 3.6.4 version here, which we installed before. I can do operation like 2 plus 1. It should give me 3. So we have installed Python on Windows and set the path. Things have been set up successfully. So guys, go and install it. Let me know if you have any trouble in installing it. And thanks for running this one, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.